Hey, I'm going to show you how to make the best cheese toastie ever. It's a caramelised onion cheese toastie. I'll show you the ingredients you'll need. 2 slices of bread, brown, white, whatever you've got. Half a red onion chopped up, a wee bit cheese, handful of spinach, 1 mushroom chopped up and some balsamic vinegar. So first you're going to want to gently simmer your onion on a medium heat with 1 tablespoon of your balsamic vinegar and 2 tablespoons of water. That will take about 15 minutes because you want them to go nice and caramelised. You're also going to want to toast your bread just a little bit because you don't want it to go soggy when you put it under the grill. So just give it a little light toasting. Once your onions have went nice and caramelised, I want you to add your mushroom and cook them away for about 3 minutes until they're nice and soft. So to assemble this, pop your cooked onion and mushroom on one side, put a little bit of your spinach on. Don't have to add spinach if you don't like it, but I quite like cooked spinach. And sprinkle your cheese on top. Sorry if it goes everywhere. Oh, it's quite a big sandwich. Pop your top on and squeeze it down. A little bit of cheese, sprinkle that up there. And then pop it in the grill until your cheese is melted. And that's it. How good does that look?